That's basically what you're going to do. Try to keep this square and that square to the surface, and then when you're ready, you just pull the trigger.
So we brought our Truesdell AVID students to the Future Ready Centers. We went to the Manufacturing Center this morning, and this afternoon we're at the Healthcare Future Ready Center. Our goal is to get our students thinking about their future, always in AVID, but sometimes middle school students struggle to think about college, so we wanted to get them to know the opportunities that Wichita Public Schools has to offer in high school.
There we go. Tilt mask backwards a bit. Also, you're going to want to look.
I think this opportunity, getting them out of the building into the Future Ready Centers that we have available, starts to let them know that there is more out there than English and math and science and history for their classes. And it's even more than what they're used to in middle school of art and maybe technology. There are actually careers available that are focused through our high schools, and our high schools have so much to offer them. I think coming here will allow them to look into that. Now that they've seen it, they know they can go have real hands-on experience at these places and might spark some interest into some different classes for them. As we were preparing for this field trip, I kept telling them we're going to the Future Ready Centers, and not one of them had any clue what it was. So now we've exposed them to two great opportunities for their future.
There. No, not there. Try to go for that one. It's sticking up.
I've heard some of the best reactions to a field trip. They were giggling while they're trying to learn how to drive a forklift. Many of these students don't even know how to drive a car yet. And so it was sometimes their first experience with actually driving something. And one student was told in the sheet metal section that he was a natural. Kind of sparked his interest in that, I think, because someone told him he was good at it.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, yeah.
In AVID, we have a focus typically on getting our students for their future ready, and usually that is including them going to college. But our reality of life right now is that some of our students are going to want to have some training besides college. Some of our students are going to use this opportunity to learn about options that can get them a decent paying job right out of high school that they can then pay for their college if they choose to go to college later. I really appreciate the fact that they have allowed middle school students to come see what's out there for them, because sometimes middle school students have a hard time even getting onto college campuses because they think it's too far away. But we know that our middle school students have to start the habits now to be ready for high school and even to think about future.
That's 100 times.
That's what I'm saying.